In this demo, we'll show you how to set up mobile cloud phones to manage multiple Twitter accounts. Let's get started. Welcome to your Multilogin dashboard. This is your starting point. Multilogin offers desktop browser profiles and Android cloud phones. These real cloud-hosted devices let you manage Twitter accounts without extra hardware. Hit the Create button to start. Choose the number of profiles you need and name them. Each profile acts as a unique phone and keeps your Twitter accounts completely separate. Select your use case to attach a platform icon for easy identification. Then add tags and notes. Using proxies is a vital step when you create mobile profiles. Proxies help you connect from any country. Select Multilogin as your proxy provider. Pick a location from our list of over 150 spots. You can appear to be in any city you choose. This helps you connect using local IPs. To keep things safe, use one device per account. Pick a brand and model from the 12 options we offer. Click Create to finish the setup and save your device. Your device is ready. Click here to launch it. Now you have an Android screen in front of you. Use your mouse to navigate and open apps, just like a real smartphone. Check out the sidebar for quick tools. You can change the screen view, upload files, or use the camera. There are even more options in the Extra menu. Now it's time to install mobile apps. Click the Apps icon to open the App Marketplace. Find the Twitter app and download it. Other mobile apps like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook are also available for download. After the download, the app will appear in your menu. Launch it by clicking the icon. You are ready to go. Log into Twitter and start managing your profile. Use Multilogin to handle all your Twitter accounts from one screen. Start your trial today.